Although the Russian army is putting pressure on the Donbas and the Ukrainian army is withdrawing from some parts of the area so as not to be surrounded, Ukrainian defenders continue to inflict heavy losses on the Russian aggressors. Now, let's see the latest videos. The Ukrainian forces report a shot down of a Russian Ka-52 attack helicopter in the east. Here it was twice fired upon by Polish PZR manpads. Whilst it is hard to verify the loss, we see distinct smoke on the horizon in the end.
Есть! Попали! Вон ще две!
This is new footage from Ukrainian special forces of the Russian disastrous attempted crossings of the Seversky Donets River 2 weeks ago and the abandoned and destroyed vehicles. This is rare sight of Ukrainian soldiers using a US Switchblade 300 loitering munition. This are 3 Stugna PATGM strikes on Russian vehicles from Ukraine's 14th Mechanized Brigade.
Есть! Вот! Есть! Вот там зажигим!
Video of artillery strikes by Ukraine's 45th Artillery Brigade on Russian positions in Uliapol. Video from Ukraine's 54th Mechanized Brigade showing artillery strikes on Russian vehicles in Marinka. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.